Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home, tech, and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the best smart garage door opener remote control that promises convenience, ease of use, and smart functionality. Meet the CreaCity Universal Replacement Remote Control for LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers. If you've ever struggled with multiple remotes or found yourself frantically searching for the right one, this product is a game changer. It allows you to control up to 3 garage doors or gate operators simultaneously, all with one sleek and compact remote. The 3-button design is simple, making it easy to control your garage door, and it even eliminates the hassle of carrying multiple remotes around. Whether you have a LiftMaster, Chamberlain, or Craftsman brand, this universal remote is compatible with a range of models, ensuring that it works no matter your existing system. The setup is incredibly easy. There's no need for complex installation. It syncs with your garage door opener in just a few simple steps. Plus, it works on both rolling and fixed codes, making it a versatile and reliable option for anyone who needs to replace their old garage door remote. Another key feature that stands out is its long-range capability. You'll find that you don't need to be right next to your garage to open or close it. Whether you're approaching your home from a distance or already parked in the driveway, the remote works effortlessly, even from further away. The build quality of the remote is top-notch. With its durable construction, it can withstand everyday wear and tear. It fits comfortably in your hand and comes with a keychain attachment, so you can easily clip it to your bag or keys and never have to worry about misplacing it again. For those who value convenience, this remote also brings an element of smart technology into your life. By replacing your outdated opener with this easy-to-use remote, you're not only upgrading your garage door opener but also making your home a bit smarter in the process. With its reliable performance, you can trust that your garage door will open and close with just a press of a button, every single time. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best smart garage door opener remote, the CreaCity Universal Replacement Remote is the one to go for. Its easy setup, universal compatibility, and long-range operation make it the top choice for homeowners who want a seamless, efficient, and smarter way to manage their garage doors. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.